Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Ageng Sri Windari.
My name is Sipa Sri Rahayu.
We are from 12 Science 1, and we are here. We'll practice and explain our procedure text, how to make banana cake.
Ingredients. To make banana cake, you will need 10 tablespoon white sugar, 10 tablespoon flour, 3 eggs, 5 bananas, 1 teaspoon baking soda, vanilla powder, and then 10 tablespoons of oil. Step 1. In a mixing bowl, puree the banana with a mixer until completely smooth. In another bowl, mix sugar, eggs, baking soda, and vanilla powder. Mix until the ingredients are combined and lighter in color. Then, add 10 tablespoons of flour and mix again until combined. Add the mashed banana, pour 10 tablespoons of oil, and beat for a further minute or until well combined. Next, pour the batter into the tin. Steam the dough for 30 minutes. And last, take it out of the steamer and transfer to a plate. Slice and serve.
Ini enak banget loh.
Maybe that's all from us. Sorry if we made any mistakes. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.